We've left the east of the Delta and we're now heading west. We're going to be researching some awesome places at a place called the Trasu Forest, which is kind of like Shangri-La, Mr. Tapton informs me. Along the way, we've just stopped for breakfast, and I've just had the best cup of coffee ever at this little place, which is free food for poor people. Our fixer, Min, who is over there, he said, we must stop at this place, we must come in here and have breakfast. His religion is Wahe, Wahao, Wahao, Wahao. And this place is a Wahao restaurant where they feed the poor people, but many other people come here and they just make a contribution and that pays for the others. But the man who runs it, what an inspiration he is. And everyone's so friendly. I just sort of rocked up with these guys and everyone wants a selfie and they're all reaching over and shaking hands because nobody comes here. There's also tons of really cool stuff going on. You know, when you're having breakfast just now, there was a man with a sampan and a huge load of flowers came past. It's just awesome. I think we've got to come here if we get this workshop off the ground. Let's go across the road, have a quick look. And I just want to show you how friendly everyone is. And then we'll go across the street. And I want to show you the man who runs its house. His name is Hi Bear. Hi Bear? Hi Bear? I think that's how it's pronounced. And he is just an inspiration. Hello. So look, there's a photo straight away. Look at this, look. Oh, I hadn't even bothered to check my camera, see if it's all set up. It is. I just love shots like this. Of course, this will go into the ClickerSnap gallery. I'll put these in the ClickerSnap gallery so that you guys can have a look. There'll be a link under the video. Hi! Man eating breakfast. Look at this. Oh, fantastic. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hi. Hello. 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 Can you imagine being somewhere in the UK and just walking into a cafe and photographing people eating their breakfast? Hi. Hi. I love that. Oh, here's Hi Bear. I want to introduce you to Hi Bear. We'll take some more photos around here and put them in the ClickerSnap gallery. Hi Bear. Hi. Hi. This is my... So Hi Bear he's a wealthy man in this region. He owns many rice fields, but his belief is that we should always share what we have. And I'm going to show you his house in a moment. But he's an awesome man, very inspirational. I just think it'd be great to come here. Can I take photo, Hi Bear? Yeah? Yeah? That's not a good angle. Hi Bear, can you show us your house? Can we go to your house?
Mai chú chỉ nhà của chú cho nhưng mai biết làm lại cái hồi nãy mình dẫn đi á, dẫn về nhà cho chú biết. Mình là dẫn bây giờ hay là sao? Dẫn bây giờ.
Can we go now? I want to take a photo of him in his house. Come with me, guys. We've got Melissa Fox on camera duty. May I? Melissa Fox on camera duty. Right. And look, up the street here is the Mekong River at the end of the street. We've got to come here. There's going to be all sorts of cool stuff going on up there. Hi. But I was blown away. I just thought we were stopping for a bit of breakfast. And it was a good breakfast too. I had sticky coconut rice with peanuts and the best coffee I've had in Vietnam. I'm not joking. It's a rich, caramelly sort of a coffee. Look at this. This is Hi Bear's garden. Isn't this beautiful? These are his houses. He's sort of got two houses here, which he's built for his family. And it's just so amazing. Got these beautiful plants. And he's already said we're free to come in here and photograph anything in his garden, around his garden, photograph the people who work here with him. I think this is a must-have because we're so close to Trasu, which is a place we have to go. It's just like, you know, Asian living, outdoors, in the air, loads of stuff everywhere. We're going through the back way because out here everyone wears flip-flops. soft shoes, easy to slip off. But of course, I, being a Westerner, wear big, chunky army boots. And it takes me so long to slip them on and off, it's just not worth messing about. Look at this beautiful garden. Isn't it amazing? So there are 2 houses here. Hi Bear, can we take a photo up here please? Yeah? Lovely guy. Just in the doorway please, Min.
Dạ, đứng ngoài này.
Just here. Just this way a little. Perfect. No, perfect. Just in here. Thank you. Come on. The light here is amazing because it's blocking all the downlight. It's all coming from the front. I'm just going to try and get myself in the right place. Hi Bear. Get my exposure about right. This isn't going to be the best picture. He's obviously very shy. Hi Bear. Hi. There we go. I've just taken not bad shots. Come on. I'll shoot some more pictures. You don't want to watch me shoot stuff. I'll show them to you in the gallery. But come have a quick look in here. So this is Hi Bear's house. Very beautiful. I'm not going to go in because I have these boots. But come inside. Come have a quick look through the door, Melissa. Don't go right in. Just from the door's fine. So, isn't that an awesome shot? Just of Hi Bear. Just here. Wow. Hi Bear. This way, tiny bit. Whoa, stop. Yes, perfect. Come on. Right, I need a lot more ISO going on here. Just pimp that right up. I don't know, where are we? About 800 ISO. Should be good. Come on. Awesome. Thank you, Hi Bear. Come on. Yeah, I might be able to do something within Lightroom. But this beautiful house here made of wood is Hi Bear's house. And next door, come with me, come have a look. There's a second house that he's built for his family, for his son and for his daughter. And they live in here. What an amazing, inspirational man. What an amazing guy. I love that sort of thing, you know. We in the West, we have so much. Even the poorest of us who think we're kind of hard done by. It's quite amazing, really. We have so much more than many think. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that, guys, because I'm super excited. We've got the street out here. Quick, let's go look through the gate very quickly. Try not to fall over, Fox. Melissa's doing a stunning job because she's holding my iPhone on a tripod whilst not being able to look where her feet are. But if you look through the gates here, you can see it's just, you know, there's all sorts of stuff. There'll be all sorts of amazing, crazy loads going down the street. There'll be, I don't know, you know, a little moped covered in bales of hay and about 30 pigs and all this stuff. Great place to do some street planning. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to introduce you to that. I'm probably posting more videos than I intended, but it's awesome. If you think you'd like to come on this sort of workshop, this is a real high point. I've already told you there are times when things don't go as expected, and it can be a low point. It sometimes means having to push the van out in some mud or something. You also get these little gems along the way. If you think this would make your blood pump, you can always leave me your details at photographycourses.biz/123. Don't fill it in if you think, yeah, it's a pipe dream, I'd like to come. I understand that's cool. I'd love you to join in with the videos, but please don't put your details there because it's a big disappointment for everyone if lots of people say they want to come, but very few book. You can see the photos which I'm going to take here and others from this trip in the Mekong Delta at ClickerSnap album. I'll post a link underneath this video. See you later, guys. Thanks for listening.